Hi guys, welcome back to Sadler Up Nails. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your own hollow top coat. So let's get started. First, you're going to need a top coat. I used this little one from Naio Nails simply because of the size of the bottle. I didn't want to have such a large bottle because we will be adding glitter and I didn't want to be using too much glitter. And speaking of glitter, here we have this beautiful hollow glitter. I just bought this from Shoppers Drug Mart. It is by Fantasy Makers and it is called Confetti. Now I do want to say that this is a cosmetic grade glitter. Do make sure you use a glitter that is cosmetic grade and you are not using a craft glitter, as although you're only applying this to your nails, some might get down into your cuticle, it could get into an open sore, and we just don't want to be causing any infections. So here I'm just taking the lid off the top coat bottle, and I have a little cuticle pusher here that is perfect for scooping out the glitter. So we're just going to add a little scoop of glitter to the top coat. And I'm pretty sure, yep, I went in for a second scoop. So we're just going to add that as well. Then I just grabbed the lid and I stirred it around with the brush, and you can see the glitter, it was a big clump. So I had to really push it down there and move it around in order to get it dispersed into the bottle. And here you can see the glitter beautifully dispersed. However, I did grab a toothpick just so that I can mix up the glitter that had fallen to the bottom of the bottle. I probably should have just used the toothpick in the first place. And here is our beautiful hollow top coat that we just made at home. So now let's test it out, but first we're gonna have to lay down some black so we can see the effects of this hollow. I have my Sinful colors black on black, and we're just gonna quickly put down 2 layers of this. I must say I was pretty proud of myself with this polishing of this black until I got to my thumb, yeah. So let's test out this top coat we just made. We are going to first put it on our pinky here. I must say this is giving a beautiful galaxy look. The way this glitter has dispersed, it looks like stars sparkling in the night sky. Look at that, it's gorgeous. And of course, we couldn't stop there. So we added another scoop of glitter. And we're stirring it around with the toothpick this time. I did not use the brush. And we're going to put this one on our ring finger. Now, it did not disperse as well as on the pinky. I think maybe I just didn't stir it up as well. But you can definitely see there is a lot more hollow than the pinky. And it still looks just as beautiful. So, of course, we got to keep going. We're going to add some more glitter to put on the middle finger. We did another 2 small scoops. Stirred that up. And then look at all that gorgeous hollow in there. I wish I had those balls to mix it up. I think this was the best ratio of hollow to polish, because look at how beautiful that is. And look at, this is just one coat. I couldn't believe how well the glitter dispersed. And so here is the range of all 3 hollows we just made together. Comment down below on which one is your favorite. I'm not sure. I mean, I'm thinking the middle. However, I do like the pinky. So then I did decide to grab my hollow unicorn powder from Daily Charme and add some of that. I added a small scoop here. Who am I kidding? I added a lot. I used the toothpick to stir this up, and you could see right away the hollow. It was gorgeous. You can kind of see it here on the toothpick. And now I'm just brushing it onto my index finger. I wish the lighting was better because it really doesn't do it justice on camera as it does in real life. I tried to move my finger around to get the lighting so you could see the rainbow effect. I really like how you can still see the black base underneath. This would look gorgeous, I think, over top of maybe a hot pink. You can definitely see the rainbow in the lighting right here. I couldn't stop there because, well, I have one more finger, and the way we're going, we just had to keep progressing with this. So we added some more of the hollow unicorn powder. I stirred it up with the brush this time because I did not want any of that hollow coming off onto the toothpick. And look at the rainbow. I mean, this is not a top coat anymore, ladies and gentlemen. We just made a full-on hollow polish, and it is absolutely breathtaking. Honestly, just pause the video right here and soak in what I just made. When I flip the bottle over, you can really see how the chunkier hollow glitter fell to the other side as it is a lot heavier. Now we are going to apply this to the thumb, and I definitely did not have enough on the brush the first time, so I loaded it up, and now look at that hollow. This is pretty much full coverage on one coat, full coverage of hollow. I'm wondering if I tested this over a color, if you could see the color underneath. If I put a second coat of this though, I mean, that would be 100% full coverage for sure. Look at how beautiful that is. And here we have them all together again. I think I'm going to have to go out to the dollar store and get myself some more cheap top coats and make each one of these variations of this holo top coat because I am absolutely in love with all of them. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.